Whenever you're exhibiting at a trade show, the pressure is really on to create a standout experience, something that people will notice while they're at the venue, but more importantly, something that will leave a lasting impression even after they've left. Now imagine you're a magazine publisher. Magazines by their very nature are quiet, passive experiences. How can you take a product like that and make it scream for attention in a trade show environment? For Connections magazine at the Lancaster Chamber Expo, we decided to do something that's never been done before. We created the world's first 3D digital-only magazine, which can be read on computers, smartphones, and even on iPads.
We explored multiple processes that can be used to produce anaglyphs. The best way to produce an image that has a three-dimensional appearance is to start with two images that were taken at slightly different angles. With the best of Connections, we didn't have that advantage. Because we were starting with images that had been previously part of stories and connections, we were required to create anaglyphs based upon one image. This presented a challenge, but by determining what parts of the images should pop out at viewers and painting displacement maps, we generated scenes that are going to blow Connections readers away.
This was a complex project for our team. Being the first of something is always going to be difficult. Designing the first 3D digital magazine that not only runs on the desktop, but also on the iPhone, iPad, Android devices and more was certainly a challenge. Our main objective when laying out the spreads for the Best of Connections was to allow the 3D anaglyphs to stand on their own as much as possible. One of the things that we discovered early on in our studies of anaglyphs is that black and white type hovers at a halfway point in 3D space and remains quite legible. We use this technique throughout the piece to deliver precise messages without interrupting the viewer's interaction with the images. The finished product is truly a blend of the technology that we're capable of using and beautiful design that we will always stay true to. We love seeing our hard work on the screen in 3D, and we think you're going to love it too.